start. We'll start with yes no questions and we questions, and we have also exercise in this lesson number 8. So there are basically two types of questions in Swedish: yes no questions and we questions. We questions are basically the same that we have in English, W questions. So we call them here we questions. Okay, so we'll first start with yes no questions, or you can call them ja nej frågor, means yes no questions. So here we have normal statement, that is han är svensk. He is Swedish. Or we call Han heter Kalle. His name is Kalle, or he's called Kalle. Once you want to make questions, our verb is always on second position in normal statement. So we place our verb at very first position, to make questions. For example, here, so I place this verb at very first position. Are han svensk? Is he a Swede? Or I can call heter han Kalle? Is he called Kalle? So in this scenario, we can answer questions, with only yes or no. There is no other way to answer this question. That's why we call them yes, no question. Here we have answers for ja, han or Sven. Question was, are han Svens? Yeah. So when you want to answer this question, you have to place the comma to separate ja, and then you can start the next statement. For example, here, nej, han heter inte Kalle. Han heter Ole. No means no, he is not Kalle, he is Ole. So for negation also, we start with nai and we have to separate it with comma always, and then we can add negation also here to make a negative sentence. So here we have the word order for ya nay questions, means you have ya or nay, and then comma, and then subject, and then we have verb, and then object. Definitely we will add here negation if we have a negative answer. You can check few examples. Are that din mama? Is it your mom? So if you want to answer in yes, what you will write? Ya. Hun are mean mama. So I just place here comma. If you want to make the same question with negation, what should I write here? Nai hun are. What should I write here? Hun are inte mean mama. No, she not my mother. So when you want to make a negative question, means you want to reply with no, we will have to add the inte. Okay. Next we have gillar do goodies. Do you like candy? Yeah. Yeah, gillar goodies. Yes, I like candy. So if you want to make a negative, want to say that you don't like candies, what should you write here? Yeah, gillar inte goodies.
Okay, yeah, inte goodies.
Means we have learned in this lesson that negation should be after verb. So
after
this is my
verb,
verb,
okay.
gillar, and then place here negation inte. Now gillar inte goodies. I don't like candies. And the next we have arbetar han. Does he work? We have here nai han are arbetslös. Means unemployed, and you can also answer like this: nay han. You can use the same verb. Han arbetar inte. No, he doesn't work. Han are arbetslös. He is unemployed. And if you want to write here, yes, I'm working. So that will be ja, han arbetar. Yes, he works. Okay.
Okay.
The only importance is here that when you write ya or nay, you have to write the comma and then you can answer the question. Pratar, do English ka? Do you speak English? Yeah, Pratar English. Yes, I speak English. And if you don't speak English, you can write nay.
Ja, da ente English ka.
Pratar
Ente
English ka. No, I don't speak English. Are du gift means are you married? Nay. Yeah, are single. No, I am single. And if I'm married, I would write yeah. Yeah, are gift. Yes, I am married. And if you want, nay, yeah, are inte gift. No, I'm not married. Sure, Dubil, do you drive? Yeah, that your yacht. You can reply like this. Yeah, sure, Bill. Yes, I drive. And this one is basically the short form. Then it has a fixed expression. Next we will deal with short answers of Yane Froger. Means till now we have replied the same by using the same verb. For example, here I use are is my verb, and here I use pratar. That is the same verb that they have used for asking question. Pratar English ka? Yeah. Yeah, Pratar English ka? Yes, I speak English. So in this scenario, when you want to write short answers, so you have a fixed expression that we can use. That is, yeah, that your, and then we have subject. And if you want to add negation, then we will add the just negation. We can check few example at first. Roker Han means, does he smoke? So I would write, yeah, that your Han. Yes, he does. So first we can check here word order for short answers for yes no questions. So this is a fixed expression, yeah, that your, and then we have subject here that you can use. And if you want to add negation or you want to say no, then we say nae, that your, and plus subject, and then we add negation inte, that your yag inte. For example, here Rokerhan. So this is a normal reply that we can use. Yeah, Han Roker. Yes, he smokes. You can say yeah, Han no nae, Han Roker inte. No, he doesn't smoke. But there is another way to reply this yes no question, that is short answers. So in this scenario, we will say yeah, that your Han. Yes, he does. And if you want to say no, nae, that your Han inte. So if you say this is here that your Han and that your Han, that is similar. Just we change negation here. So that is called basically a fixed expression. That is a short way to answer. Means where we don't want to repeat the same verb that been mentioned in the question. So we can use the fixed expression that your and subject. In this scenario, we have subject Han, and if subject changes, then we can use here another subject. Let's check a few more examples here. Spelar hon piano. Does she play the piano? Piano, we can write. The short answer is yeah, that your. Yes, that she does. So here is my subject is hun, and we place here hun as a subject. If you want to say nai, then you can say nai, that your ninte. No, she doesn't play the piano. Or you can use complete answer. What is the complete answer that we learned earlier? Hun spelar
Yeah,
piano.
on spelar piano.
Mean yes, she plays piano. So this is your complete answer. This is a short answer where we use just the fixed expression that your plus subject, and before that we add here ya or nahi. If you check this example, are you full mean are you drunk? Yeah, that your yag. Yes, I am drunk. You can say nahi, that your yag inte. So here you have these two, that your yag and that your yag. Why I use here yag as a subject? Because I'm asking question, second person, are you drunk? And now he's replying, nahi, that your yante. No, I am not. So in this scenario, we have to use here first person because he's speaking now. So third person, he, she, it means han, hun, or dom. That we don't change. If we have second person or first person, then we might change, that subject here. So these are fixed expressions. You shouldn't worry about that. That your plus subject. And before that, we have definitions here. You can also write here complete answer if you want. That is, yeah or full. Yes, I am drunk. So it's up to you which one you want to use. This is another way to reply yes no questions. Are do cool means are you having fun? Nay, that yo yaginte. Now I'm not having fun. That your, and we place here yag because this is the second person now is speaking. It becomes the first person at the moment. Then we have exercise number 1. Are du ung means are you young? Yeah, that you're young. Yes, I am. Or you can reply yeah or ung. Yes, I am young. So this is a complete answer where we're using the same verb and the same adjective that maybe we have used here. And in the short answer, basically, we just use that your, and that's all. We don't place their verb or any other information that has been mentioned in the question. Okay.
Okay.
Here we have these two examples that you can try at home. You can try both ways. You can write complete answer and you can write
Okay.
also short answer. Okay.